So that is my client business man, and I can run many ads in past day, and I just run the one ad is very much perform to me, that is the baby feeding share, the carousel ads here. And I just select the yesterday, and look at that, 83 message is result here, and the cost per result is only 0.03 cents. Duration is 3000 almost, and their reach is 4000 almost, and their frequency is too much good, the 1.45, and the total amount is spent is only 2.78 dollar. And I just go to the ad level, I check the placement, which placement give the more result for me. So look at that, there is a Facebook reels give the 12 result here, and the Facebook stories and the Facebook feed is almost very much good, the 15 4 result is given this, and the in short videos and the marketplace also, and the final is the feed video, the video feeds, and that is the key result for my message campaign, the placement, and the other placement is not working for me. Show that what is the strategy, I just make it that, and there is a good result for me. So I just go to the edit option and just select the campaign label. I just write my name, and that is not for working for any kind of issues here, and go to the ad set level and just look at that, I just set the budget and select the messaging options here, and message on the Facebook and Instagram here, and that is I don't use any kind of cost per result goals, basically that is the starting point for me, so I just needed any issues here, and I don't use any kind of schedules here. So I use the audience here, and that is the save audience, and I just go to the audience section, and that is the audience I use it. So just look at that, what is the targeting for me. So I just select the age, the 18 to 40, 80 to 40 age of the people, the parents, the men and females is also here. I just select the behaviors of purchase behavior, the demography, the all parents, the baby was the 6 month, the baby was the 3 or 5 years, the almost the 1 or 2 years almost, and there is the relationships here starting, then there is a married, or demography is the work, the employee, and the online shopping interested. And I also use the baby shops and the apparels and the clothing and the apparels here, and the interest is the educational interested, the shopping, the data's almost the online business here. And I also select the interest in the clothing apparels, that is very much good, and the shopping, online shopping behaviors people, and the finally is the interested of family and relationships. So I just select the all kind of behaviors, and I use the broad audience, because in 2025 the broad audience is makes sense better, and Facebook recommended that you use the broad audience, and Facebook AI is very much is strong, and they found that what is the customer of your product. So I just select the broad audience, the save audience, and I just use the only the Facebook feed. So that is the ad set level, and just finally just go to the ad level. So that is how I set the our Facebook page name. I use the carousel ads, and I use the almost 5 ads here. So I'm also use the 5 the raw image, not only the any kind of editing image, any kind of professional image. I just use the raw image, because people need the real picture of your product, any kind of products. And I use the many the some headline and description. I use the one headline and one description, all the image. That is very much good for carousel ad, because you use the multiple headline, the multiple product headline is different, it is not for attractive for any kind of person. I use the primary text also, and I pointed that the what is the key point of my product, and what is the benefit of my product, and you buy my product, so what is the benefit of your child, or of your child baby, and your the parents behaviors. So that is use, and I use the send message options here regularly, and I use the FAQ question. I just click the edit option, look at that, the welcome message also here, and what I use the one question, and I just select the landing page also. So that is the FAQ question editing. And finally I just use the pixel hairs, and I don't use any kind of parameters, because I don't send the data the Google Analytics for. So that is the total process, and how to create a perfect Facebook carousel ad, perfect Facebook message campaign also. So that is the simple but very effective and very strategical key issues. You need the better result about the Facebook message campaign. Definitely you use the perfect image, the perfect headline, the perfect primary text, perfect audience targeting, and the perfect budgeting. It's all kind of things you use. The message campaign is very much good for your any kind of e-commerce or services or website. So that is for today. I hope you can understand what I to say, and if you have any question, you just knock me, link in the description. Thank you.